Today we're going to build our terrific shed-style heavy-duty 3-shelf unit. It's also available in a 4-shelf. It's pretty similar to pallet racking, which you can have in your own home. It's 1.83 metres high, 1.8 long, so it's got great length with some extra supports, and 600mm deep. Let's have a look how it goes together. So just before we start our 3-shelf unit, I'll just run through the bits and pieces that you need. So I'll be wearing safety glasses today. Just because we're handling some steel, I'll put my gloves on. It's pretty much only a mallet job, and there's a handful of bolts that we'll just tighten up with a spanner. Let's see how it goes together. The first step to building our 3-shelf unit is actually putting on one of the top supports. And what we'll do, as per the instructions, we'll put it level with the side support in the upright, give it a bit of a whack, and then we'll put in the base one. And again, we'll do that level with the bottom support. And I'll give that a tap. And then we'll put one in the middle. And then repeat on the back. Once we've put all 6 beams in place, we need to lock them in with this terrific little bolt that we've got. So that just goes through the side hole here. There it is, and sits in like so. So we'll put that in all 6 beams. Now that we've secured the 6 arms, we're just going to put a little bit of bracing in. So we've got 2 types of bracing. This is the first one. We've got 3 of these bars to put in. They just sit inside the beam. Right in the middle, there's pre-drilled holes. We line them up, and we'll just put this little bolt through there, which we'll do now. And the second support that we put on, we've got these top supports here. We've got some great little slots. Simply slide in, and we've got 3 to do per row. And just repeat on the other 2 levels. And the last step is just putting in our 3 shelves. Which sit nicely just in the recessed beam. We're almost ready to tidy our shed. Another feature of the product is that all of the legs have these terrific little holes in them, so if you choose, you can dynabolt the unit to the ground. And that's how you build our terrific shed-style 3-shelf heavy-duty racking system. It's also available in a 4-shelf. Comes in this terrific black steel frame. You've seen the locking devices we've got to keep the beams in place. Nice recessed shelves. Have fun tidying up your shed, and thanks for watching.